Hello friends, lecture of Object Oriented Programming. SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yeola, Department of Computer. Myself, Saukar Dhanashri, Department of Computer. Subject Object Oriented Programming. Fundamental of Object Oriented Programming. Topic is the data types of OOP. Data types. The data is the smallest unit of information that the computer manipulator. The data of being manipulated in the computer define the data type. Basic data types are integer, floating, point, character. C++ support both basic and derived data types. Two or more data types, bool and varchar, are added by ANSI C. The tree of data types, user-defined data types, built-in data type and derived data type. User-defined data type is structure, union, classes and enumeration. Built-in data types, integral type and floating type. Integral type is integer, float, and floating type is float, double and void. The derived data type is array, function, pointer, reference. There are 5 basic data types: char, integer, float, double, void. C++ add 2 or more boolean and varchar, means void char. The void char type specifier. The varchar type specifier is an integral type that has even storage to represent a void character literal. A character literal is a character literal that is prefixed with the letter L, for example LX. Integral data type, it contains whole numbers. If we use a 16-bit word length, then the size of integer range between single integer, int, short int and long int, unsigned integer, unsigned int, unsigned short int and unsigned long int. Floating data type is occupied by 4 byte 32 bit, where last 6 bit are precautions. The decimal point occupies 1 bit. Float, double, long double. Character data type is, it may be signed or unsigned character. It is signed defined as char. It is occupied 1 byte. Boolean type. A Boolean object can be assigned literal value true or false. For example, Boolean found equal to false. Boolean cannot be declared to be either signed unsigned, short or long. Boolean found equal to false, integer count equal to 0. Boolean object and Boolean literal are implicit, promoted to type int when an arithmetic value is necessary. False beacon 0 and true 1 arithmetic pointer value are implicit, covered to a value of type Boolean. A 0 or null pointer value is converted to false, other value are converted to true. Derived data type array types. An array is collection of variables of the same type that are referred to through a common name. For example, integer a 10. Declare array of 10 ints. The dimension must be consist expression. A non-constant variable cannot be used to specify the dimension of an array. It must be possible to evaluate the value of dimension at compile time, but the access to non-consist objects accomplished only at runtime, and so it cannot be used as dimension. Integer 1, 2, 3. An array can be explicit initialized, and such an array needed to specify a dimensional value. If dimensional is greater than the number of elements, the non-initialized elements are set to 0. Integer a equal to 0, 1, 2. A character array can be initialized as either a list of comma separated character or a string literal. The string constant contains an additional terminating null character. Pointer type. A pointer is a variable which holds the address of another variable. A pointer is defined by prefixing the identifier with the dereference operator. A pointer can hold a value of 0, indicating that it points to no object. A pointer cannot hold a non-address value. The pointer is called a generic pointer, which can hold the address of any data type but may not be dereference. For example, assign integer point to void pointer. Pointer arithmetic. A number can be added to a pointer. A number can be subtracted from a pointer. A pointer when incremented always points to as an immediate next location of its type. Thank you friends for watching this video.